Hey YouTube, I just came across this iPhone 14 Pro Max Apple lever case and it turned out to be fake, so I want to go over some key points where you can spot the fake case from the original one. And the cases I have here, so this is fake one and this is original Apple 13 lever case. This is original Apple iPhone 11 Pro case, and this is in the box, in the original box, and this is just the 13 Pro Apple lever case, 13 Pro. So this 13 and 13 Pro are a lot closer to the 14 because they have MagSafe. So I'm gonna compare them to these two cases and also a couple points from this box. So first thing first, how you can spot it. Just looking at the box, okay? Or just if you just get this box, you don't have anything else to compare it to. I mean, it looks pretty legit. One first key point: this a holder on original Apple case is plastic, as you can see. Okay, this is plastic. This is cardboard. Another key point: see how it slides in, and slides out. On original case, it kind of closes because it does have inside there's a little notch inside. It's right here. See the little notch inside. So that's how it goes in and out, making that kind of a closing sound. Okay. Okay. So that's that. Same thing on 13. I just don't have this latch. It kind of closes. You can tell the difference. This one closes. This one just goes in and out. Also, as you can see, this is just glued to the top of the case. Okay. And on original Apple case, you have an indentation for that plastic piece to be glued together. Same thing, you know, it's like it makes, when the plastic holder is glued to the box, it makes even surface. Not in this case. So that's first takeaway that you can spot the fake from original. After that, it goes by the actual case. So I'm going to compare it to this 13. Actually, for 14 Pro. I mean 13 Pro. So this is original case and this is fake case. Okay, both are MagSafe cases. Oh, another thing, real quick, before I go any deeper, another thing about the box. As you can see, in this fake case kind of wobbles inside the box, inside its kind of holder. Okay. In this case, original, almost no movement inside. Same goes for the 11 Pro case. No, it's actually a little bit of movement, so scratch that. Oops. Okay, next, I want to talk about the actual case. The feel of this case, it feels like plastic. It does not feel like leather. Doesn't really feel like leather. This does feel like leather. Okay, so it's a completely different feel. Also, the Apple logo is, you know, kind of like it's made on plastic, not on leather, because on leather it's a lot less visible, and this one, it just, you know, it's very visible on this fake case. Okay, another thing, around the camera, on the original Apple case, even on the picture, it shows that it kind of goes, the lever part goes up a little bit to the camera cutout. Same thing on this case, it kind of goes up, as you can see. It kind of goes up a little bit, and then again gets it meets with the plastic of the camera cutout. And this is just attention to detail is pretty nice here. As you can see, it's all, I'm gonna show it under the microscope so you can see a little better. It's all nice and smooth. Okay. And on the fake case, it just, there's no it just flat. There is no it does not rise up a little bit to the camera cutout. It's just flat and is as I mean, it's pretty good overall, but like, you know, couple things can give me 1 second. So it doesn't go up, the lever part doesn't go up to the camera cutout. It's just flat basically there, and some things can kind of tell it that the plastic that goes around the camera cutout, it's not the best quality, as you can see there. I mean, you can see the difference between this one and the original Apple case. It's all, even this case is used, and it's the camera plastic is spot on. Okay, and the main thing about the difference between these cases, couple main things is, as you can see, this fake case, it does have a MagSafe, but it's sticking out. You can feel it with your finger. So if you run across the magnet, you can feel it. On the original Apple case, you don't feel it. It's one surface. So that's why, like, it's kind of, I'm not sure if it's a big deal, but it's possible, you know. I mean, there's a possibility that you can actually damage your back glass if you're using this fake case. I mean, it's a slight possibility, but still. So if you run the finger across the magnet here, you can feel it. You can feel the groove. I don't think you can see it in the picture, but it's there. And this is original Apple case here too. It's all flat. You don't feel, if you put your finger across the magnet, you don't feel the magnet at all. On this one, you feel the magnet, and the bottom magnet as well. You can actually feel it. And that's that. Okay. And another main thing is this magnet on the aftermarket, on the fake case, is not as strong as on the original. So I'm using the Apple MagSafe battery, and you can see it's also making kind of funny noises too. Not like funny noises, but it's like, it feels like, it sounds like the magnets on the case are actually moving. But anyway, these magnets are weak, so I attach this battery, and it falls off, as you can see. I don't apply lots of force to knock it off. Like, see, it knocks off. Just a little knock, and it just knocks it off. Very weak magnets. Okay, and I'm gonna compare it to original one. See, it stays put. You have to, you can actually knock it off, but you have to apply lots of force, like a lot of force basically. Okay, compared to this one, it just knocks it off on every bump. Every bump. Okay, and a little motion, it gets off. On the original case, it doesn't get off with that motion, so you have to bump real good to knock it off. And same, I mean, you can feel it, you can feel the force you need to apply to take it off of the original applique. And this is just like kind of picking it up, almost feels like. Yeah, so that's the main difference between the original and the fake Apple lever case. So thank you very much for watching, guys. Hope you'll be able to tell your case for if it's fake or it's original from this video. Hope I helped you guys make right decision and find the truth. Thank you very much for watching, and have a lovely day, guys. If you like my videos, please subscribe. Bye bye, guys.